Hey everyone, and welcome to Film Physics, the show where we combat scientific illiteracy by holding filmmakers accountable for their blatant disregard for scientific accuracy. I'm your host, Brandon Hanna, and today we're going to be talking about why Ant-Man makes absolutely no sense.
Just a tall tale, right? Because how could anything so miraculous possibly be real?
To do this right, I got my hands on an Ant-Man suit of my own, and we're going to be putting its physics to the test. To be clear, we're only going to be discussing the science and scientific explanations presented within the Ant-Man film, not the comics. Now with all that out of the way, let's get started. In the film, Scott Lang wears a suit powered by the fictional substance known as Pym particles. This substance is used to alter atomic distance in order to shrink the wearer to the size of an ant. In other words, these particles shrink the distance between atoms while increasing density and strength. Therein lies the problem. You know what? Let me show you. At normal size, Ant-Man stands at about 1.78 meters tall, or 5'10". But when he shrinks down to 0.7% his normal size, he stands at about 12.7 millimeters tall, or a half inch. Here's the important part. Despite shrinking to the size of an ant, Ant-Man still has the mass of a 200-pound man. This means Ant-Man is exerting an 890 Newton force over an area less than a square millimeter in size. This equates to a pressure of 890 megapascals, or 129,000 psi. That's a lot. To put this into perspective, the compressive strength of your typical stainless steel is about 250 megapascals, or 36,000 psi. Ant-Man can't even stand on a table, let alone someone's shoulder. Imagine a pin needle being pressed down by a 200-pound force. He would cut through them like butter. Phew, that was a close one. As you can see, based on the science presented within the film, Ant-Man would have a very difficult time getting around. It's just not possible. I bet the filmmakers thought they could pull a fast one on us. But not this guy.
Asking Robbins always finds out, bro.
This wraps up this installment of Film Physics. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below, and be sure to comment and subscribe. And as always, thank you for taking time out of your day for this moment of science.